Bitcoin rockets above $97,000 on trade deal hopes. XRP ETF frenzy ignites. Welcome to Bulldogito News, where crypto bites harder than the market. BTC exploded above $97,000 as markets cheered fresh US-China trade talk breakthroughs. Tariff tensions easing led to a broad crypto rally. Dogecoin surged 4%, and altcoins XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, and BNB all popped 1 to 3% in 24 hours. Investors are buzzing. With this apparent trade detente, a $100,000 Bitcoin is back on the agenda, analysts say. Crypto capes at the ready. If Bitcoin clears $100,000, we could be off to the moon. And big money is pouring into Bitcoin. Recent data show roughly $1.5 billion in net inflows into spot BTC ETFs. Trading Desk Flowdesk reports broad-based spot buying and $1.5 billion in Bitcoin ETF inflows as institutional demand grows, fueling the rally. Michael Saylor's strategy announced raising $21 billion to buy more BTC, a sure sign Wall Street players are loading up. With so much capital chasing the dip, Bitcoin's uptrend looks locked in. Chart watchers note BTC is above all key moving averages, eyeing new all-time highs. XRP ETF hopes ignite. New ATH in sight. Attention, XRP holders. Your moment may be coming. After years of SEC battles, XRP ETF approval odds have jumped to about 85%. Bloomberg ETF analysts expect a wave of altcoin ETFs, including XRP, Solana, DOGE, and ADA, to win approval as soon as this summer. On the charts, XRP is forming a bullish wedge. A breakout above $2.40 could target $3.74, a 70% leap. Even a recent 5% pullback, spooked by weak US GDP data, hasn't shaken bullish sentiment. In short, with ETF hopes and fresh buying, XRP could be gearing up to make crypto history. Crypto derivatives giant CME Group just confirmed it will launch XRP futures on May 19th, pending regulatory sign-off. These cash-settled contracts, tied to the daily XRP/USD reference rate, will give institutional and retail traders new tools to hedge or bet on XRP. CME's Crypto Czar notes that interest in XRP's ledger is booming, and these contracts provide a capital-efficient toolset for investors. CME's suite already includes Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana futures, and with Solana futures already seeing over 43,000 contracts traded since launch, XRP is next in line. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse cheered CME's move as incredibly important and exciting for XRP. If you enjoyed these headlines, subscribe now and smash that like button. Drop a comment below with your bold Bitcoin or XRP price targets. We'll feature the craziest one in our next show. For Bulldogito News, where crypto bites harder than the market, I'm your host Name. Stay bullish and see you next time.